This is the west, no, this is the east elevator at Fairfax Mall in Fairfax, Virginia. This one's also a Schindler. It used to be an Otis. Gymboree's closing. Let's watch it go up. There you go, got the door for you. Sure. L1. Door close button works, we like that. Let's look out the window. Pretty sure this one's got a good motor too. This one's also a Schindler. Oh, someone called it.
You gonna go back up?
Yes. You too? Going up? We're gonna look out the window again.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Let's try again and look out the window. Let's look out the window.
Go ahead.
Here we go. Oh wow, epic motor in this one too. There's the closing Gymboree store. This deserves another ride.
Not if it's busy. Come on.
Going down? Going down?